Introducing the all-new 2023 Cupra Born E Boost. 58 kWh, 231 horsepower, 5-door A in sleek grey. This electric automatic estate is packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and wireless charging. Safety is a top priority with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy luxury touches like ambient lighting, luxury trim, and privacy glass. This vehicle is not only stylish and secure, but also environmentally friendly with energy recuperation and over-air updates. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this exceptional ride. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on the 2023 Cupra Born E Boost, 58 kWh, 231 horsepower 5-door A.